this automatic lock, and I have it hooked up. I have a fingerprint.
Unlocked.
Let me tap this.
Locked.
On the other side, I installed it. Come on, move over. And it wouldn't close. And I had a lot of work to do to get this to close, but I realized it was all here. Oh. So now it closes. I'm so excited. I had to take it apart and redo it. And you can't get in. But I have a fingerprint. There's also a key, but I haven't figured out where to put the key yet.
Put your finger in, and that's it. It unlocks the door for you. Wait a second.
Locked.
Automatically locks it for you after 60 seconds, or you can adjust it, or you push here.
Alrighty, here is a replacement after I have contacted Status Customer Service, and this is the keyless door lock knob from the company called Sifely, and I contacted seller after what has happened, the incident. The delivery was not successfully carried out by the U.S. Post Office, and so I contacted seller. Within a day or two, and already received the package for the replacement. Here it is now, and let's take a look. We gotta do it protected, styrofoam. We gotta do it for the installation. Give you the guide so you can see and follow, easy to measure, so won't make a mistake during unnecessary hole on your door. Here we go. Here we come. We got the centerpiece of the lock and marked with a number so you can easily follow the instructions. Number 1, and we also come with a bunch of the screws, which is marked as number 2, with all the screws as you need it for the installation. And what we have here, here is the keyless fob, and also the additional key, 2 sets of each. Even come with a little tool for you to install whatever the little tiny screw as necessary. Now we also have the handlebar lever. This is that little tool was actually for this part here. Later when I install the keypad, the lock, and it would allow me to tighten it. So this one is for our inside, and we also have the other one marked as outside. So it looks like there's a little part of here where you can open it to use the physical key to unlock it. So here is the main unit. Let's take a look. Whoa, it's pretty hefty. Let's see. Wow. Okay. This is the looks like this is the main piece from the outside. We got a fingerprint unit here. So we have Keypad. Once we install the whole unit on the door and charge the unit, it will allow you to see all of the touchpad. And this is where the handlebar lever, where it goes in. So this will be installed outside the door, and the other part will be installed the inside the door. As you can see, it looks very similar to a lot of hotel, nowadays. When you check into a lot of major hotels, all has such a key, the door lock. Mostly would probably have the keypad or the keyless pad, but not necessarily would come with the fingerprints or a physical keyhole to unlock the door. But anyway, this is what the main item and unit look like. And here is also a little micro USB charging port, so you can charge in the outside piece before you install it. And looks like there's actually a little part of underneath of this piece. It looks like once if I unscrew everything, you probably can see some rechargeable battery inside as well. Alrighty, this is what it looks, and hopefully I can successfully install and get to enjoy this awesome product from the seller. Wonderful. Thank you so much.